YouTube, I'm just going to show you a quick, nice, high protein and healthy smoothie. Alright, I'm just going to jump right into it, not going to waste no time. Alright, so first we got bananas. Bananas are high in electrolytes. So if you're a runner or athlete, they're good. When we sweat, you replenish, or when you sweat out electrolytes, so it's going to replenish your body back. So just one banana, maybe 1.5. These are frozen, it's going to make it more like an ice cream. We're going to throw some flax seeds in here, it's good for the hair. Yeah, so I threw some flax seeds in here. They're good for the hair, skin, and nails, high in ALA and omega-3s. Then we're gonna put some creatine in here, good for muscle recovery, building strength. And shout out to Sun Warrior for sponsoring this video. Add some NCT oil, good for the brain health. You'll need about a tablespoon. We don't really need to measure that. All right. Boom. Then we're gonna add some protein, Sun Warrior as well. Really good product. 2 scoops of protein powder is actually 30 grams of protein. So that's actually a lot for plant-based protein powder. No dairy in here. Those of you allergic to dairy. Go ahead and click the link in the description. You get a discount code. We have the Amazon link in there, and we also have the Sun Warrior directly link if you want to get that. Yeah, so we got the bananas, we got the protein powder, we got all the ingredients in here. We'll add some organic almond milk, plant-based of course. You only really need, it depends how thick you want it. Alright, so the thicker you want it, the less milk. Make sure you shake it up, of course. Alright, let's try that. Go ahead and blend them up for you, 1 second. You can come over here a little bit. Do a little taste test for you guys. God damn, tastes like chocolate ice cream. Alright, guys, thank you guys for joining me today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like the video. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Alright, peace.